Alright, sige. I'll hold it for you and I'll be the one to officially read it, okay? This one is coming from Garda Briones. Carla said, positive social change often requires sacrifice. What personal sacrifices are you willing to make for the greater good? I'll repeat. Positive social change often requires sacrifice. What personal sacrifices are you willing to make for the greater good?
Thank you for this very wonderful and interesting question. Well, ladies and gentlemen, as far as I know that I've been taking all my life to become a pageant joiner, but also I know that embedded with this kind of spotlights that I have within me is also the responsibility that sometimes I have to be selfless and sacrifice something. And for me, to create a big impact towards social change, I would like to sacrifice all my time and effort. It doesn't mean that I just have to perform here up in the stage, showcasing how I rap, but most importantly, showcasing to people my dedication and also my platform towards intending for the greater good. And I am very lucky to be part of this competition as I have also the chance to work with the Tayo, as I know that the awareness that we have in this world can change into actions. Even though awareness is the first step towards acknowledging the solutions or the problem that we have to solve in this community, we have the tayo to guide us that actions can be that evident in order for us to create a big impact. By sacrificing my time and also my effort, I can say that I am in a good hands working with this organization. That would be all. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Great answer. Thank you, number 8. All right.